I found this new trend I'm noticing among young, maybe professionals with significant and growing net worth. What is it? I'm 𝗬𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗍𝗂, an estate planning firm in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you're seeking assistance in estate planning or administration in either of these states, you can reach us for a free consultation at 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 educate everyone for free as well. So please ask questions and share so together we can help some folks along the way. Now, maybe it's not a huge surprise, but more and more young married folks who are doing well are keeping their assets, or a majority of their assets, separate, right? Perhaps this is due to the staggering rates of divorce out there. This in turn results in separate trusts being created for each partner. And doing this, however, is not quite as straightforward as it may seem, right? Person A putting person A's assets into trust A, and person B putting person B's assets into trust B. It's not quite that clean. So what if, say, the marital home that they now own as husband and wife with right of survivorship, meaning they each own the entire thing, and if one passed, the other is the 100% owner. That can't really occur with trust ownership, even though a trust is the right plan for them. So we have to get creative, right? And what if they have separate overall beneficiaries, which does happen on occasion? How are those assets going to be treated in the long run? Whose set of beneficiaries does it go to? Or is it separated? These are the multitude of levels of questions that need to be asked. And further, if each of the spouses are being provided with less than the amount that's allocable to them by state law, we have to introduce documentation to reflect their understanding of this and kind of waiving those legal rights. All of this to say, if you and your spouse are doing all right for yourselves and you own real property, but currently keep assets separate, and you would likely continue wanting to do so, make sure you get a smart attorney to craft a solution to the web of financial wishes that you have there so that everything can be followed through with the way that you want. It can be done. So good luck. Again, I'm 𝗪𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗍𝗪 Law. We provide estate planning and probate administration services at a high client value, always increasing impact. And if you're in need of that, you can reach us at yourplanningattorney.com for a free consultation. We hope you've learned something new here today. As always, please share and take care.